Okay, hello everyone. So I hope you all are doing well, and today I'm back with another new tutorial discussing different data types in JavaScript. So like other languages, JavaScript has also its own set of data types. So if we go through the data types, we can see these data types. So let us walk you through each and every one of them. Now you need to realize that in JavaScript, in some place things are a bit weird, but when you will get used to its awesomeness, you will also get used to its weirdness. But the weird things might be interview questions, or even at times when you're coming from any other language, you need to think in a JavaScript way. So enough of saying, now let us learn about the different data types in JavaScript. First thing is string. So anything inside double quotation, two double quotation, or two single quotation is known as string. It can be a number, it can be a word, or it can be a character. So now let us go to number. In number it's 1, 2, 3, 1 to 9. Any number is considered as a number. And the Boolean is true or false. Okay. So the Boolean is something while you're programming, there are several conditions involved, that if this is true, this will happen. If this is true, this will not happen. So true, false are very important, and so we will discuss about true, false in the coming videos. Null is when a value is absent intentionally, it's called as null. So there are a lot of stories with null. And undefined is variable which is not defined. So if we simply do var console log a, then it will give us variable is not defined. I believe while explaining variable, I have explained this. Not a number means when you divide something by a number, it's like if you divide my name by number, that is Tanzim by 2, it will give you this output. And objects are, so as they say, everything in JavaScript is an object, and these are array, dates, literals, and many other things. So right now you need to know just one more thing. Suppose if I write how to find, we will discuss each of these in detail starting from string. So how to define data types in JavaScript. So as a matter of how to find out. And there are many other data types in JavaScript too, but as of now, these are the main things. So suppose let name equals to console log type of, there is a problem with the variable name in JavaScript, as I said. So now if you run node script, you see it gives a string. So in this way you can find type of variable in JavaScript. So that's very much it, and I gave you an introduction of each and every one of these. So I hope from the next episode we will start with string and some of the string functions. So thank you.